Hello, I'm David Niemeyer. Bringing our kids here to this practice by far has always been very comfortable.
Well, David's a great friend, and David has a big group of family. He's 4 children. So I started out with Jordan and treated Riley and Colby, and now Noah, his youngest, is in braces. And they're all great kids.
None of the kids had any fear. All the kids felt very comfortable, very welcomed. But every time I look at my 3 daughters and I see their smiles, I'm telling you, it blesses me. Dr. Case has done such a magnificent job with these kids that their smiles are just the highlight of my day.
I think anytime someone gives you an opportunity to help them, you should take advantage of it. And when a parent trusts you with their children, they're trusting you with a lot. Now when I see them and they smile at me, I take a certain amount of joy in looking at some of your handiwork. At the same time, that's just a small part of them as people, and yet it's a part that's significant because they attach a lot of value to it, and therefore I do the same.
Well, I'm Fantasia. I'm an entertainer, so I travel the world and I'm always singing. As you can see, I have a very big smile.
Well, Fantasia's a real special person. She has very humble beginnings. She's always smiling. We get so many comments in the office when people come in and see her picture on our wall. They want to look just like her. So I say, well, this is what we did and this is what we can do for you.
He has me at a place now when I smile, or if I'm doing a walkthrough, or if I'm sitting down and I'm signing things for people, they will literally look at me and say, "Can I see your teeth?" And I'm like, okay. And they'll say, "Are they real? They're perfect, they're beautiful." They fixed my teeth, and I've been here ever since. And my smile is still big, but it is prettier.
My name is Bob Sykes. I'm an oral surgeon in Charlotte, North Carolina, and I've been here approximately 25 years. Chip is a wonderful Christian man, a good family man, very devoted to his family as well as his profession. And he's certainly highly respected and an exceptional orthodontist who prides himself in accomplishing the highest standards of care for his patients.
I've worked with Dr. Bob Sykes for over 30 years. He's the kind of guy that's a role model. You want his talents and skills and personable nature to rub off on you. I love him so much, I let my own daughters go to him for their wisdom teeth removal. He did a great job, as he always does, and there's no bad memories associated when you get to see him.
My name is Scott Bryan, and I myself was actually a patient with Dr. Case as a child.
Well, Scott Bryan's a joy. I've known her since she was a teenager, and I got to know her as a friend, became friends with her family. Now I have the joy of treating her children.
When we met Chip, we walked in the door, and the first thing he did was make them feel right at home. The 2 most important reasons we have chosen to come back to Dr. Case is his experience and his loving care that he gives each person.
I want to say thank you, Dr. Case, for being a friend, being such a professional, doing such a great job with my family. We are very blessed to know you and to have been served by you.
I thank God for him. People say, "Is it that serious?" Yes, it's that serious.
If I had the opportunity to say thank you to Dr. Case and his huge family, I would get on a plane, I would fly it up in the sky with a banner saying, "You meant the world to us."